Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Squarespace SEO titles and meta descriptions. In this walkthrough, we'll make sure your site's pages look polished and compelling in search results, which can help improve click-through rates and overall visibility. Start on your Squarespace dashboard and open your site by selecting its title. This takes you into the main settings area, where we'll make a few quick adjustments. Next, choose Website to access your site's structure and controls. From here, go to Pages. This is where all of your site's content lives, and it's the best place to decide which page you want to optimize first. Hover your mouse over the page you want to improve. You'll see a small settings icon appear next to the page name. Click that icon to open the Page Settings panel. Inside this panel, find and select the SEO section. This is where Squarespace lets you manage how the page appears to search engines and how its snippet looks on results pages. Now click Edit Website SEO. This opens the area where you can control the SEO title and meta description settings. You'll see fields for the title and description. These are what searchers are most likely to notice. So, clarity and relevance matter. In the title field, enter a concise, descriptive headline that includes your primary keyword and reflects the page's actual content. Aim for something that fits comfortably in search results. Around 50 to 60 characters is a helpful guideline, so it doesn't get cut off. If it makes sense, you can add your brand name at the end. In the meta description field, write a short summary that expands on the title and sets the right expectation for visitors. Keep it natural and informative, around 150 to 160 characters, and focus on the benefit or outcome a visitor will get by clicking. Use your main keyword in a way that reads smoothly, avoid keyword stuffing, and make sure the description accurately matches the page. Unique titles and descriptions for each page help search engines understand your site and prevent duplicate snippets. As you write, think like your audience. What problem are they trying to solve, and what makes your page the right match? Action-oriented phrasing, clear value, and accurate wording all help encourage clicks. When you're satisfied with your updates, click Save. Your changes will be applied, and search engines will pick them up over time as they recrawl your site. That's it. Your Squarespace SEO titles and meta descriptions are now updated and ready to make a stronger first impression in search results.